keybo, the multifunction virtual laser projection keyboard. Increase your productivity anytime, anywhere.
I miss everybody on the channel. I mean the subscribers. I miss you guys.
The subs.
This isn't the real intro. We're gonna do the real intro. All right, what is up, everybody?
Hi guys, what's up? It's been a minute.
Today's video is all about the Moment 18mm wide lens. We realized after we did that 58 video, our new lens, that we never did a good job about like showcasing each of our lenses by themselves and showing you kind of like our favorite features, some shots with and without. So that's today's video, is all gonna be on the 18, the wide lens. So let's get shooting.
Yeah, we're gonna show you what it can do. We are shooting on the iPhone XR today, and the wide lens.
Woo! Okay, also it's the beginning of December, so if we look cold in this video, it's because we are cold.
It's because we are cold. Big advantages of the wide lens that, say, the Tele doesn't have, even though I love that lens dearly. The wide, just because it is so roomy, you can shoot kind of more documentary style. So like here, just standing right here, like I can shoot my feet, and I can grab the whole scene, or I could hold out my coffee and shoot that. It's not as easy on the Tele. The wide does allow you to get those shots. I want a picture of you,
okay,
just right here.
Okay.
I just want you to stand here without any of your gear.
Can I do a weird one? I'm actually falling. Oh, those look cool.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Kicking the...
They probably
Can you
can't
see
see it.
this? You can't see this.
No, it's not
Look how
OLED.
fun that-
Should I get one of you?
Let's try it. This is just so pretty. Like these colors and... Yeah.
Another amazing feature if you like to shoot with portrait mode is that the wide lens on single lens portrait mode phones, so the iPhone XR, the Pixel 3, Pixel 2, any lens that has portrait mode, like software based, anyways, the wide lens makes your whole shot wider, and then when you add portrait mode to that, it looks like you're shooting on like a 24 1.4 on a full frame, or like, if you don't know what that means, basically it makes your shot wider but still giving you that blur. So we're gonna shoot a few of those now. It's actually insane that these are coming off of a phone.
No, I know.
The colors, look down at it. Oh, that's cool. Down at the lens.
Right at it?
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Oh, it's very cool because you're getting that blur of a DSLR, but you're not all up in the grill.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? So there's like room to grab the scene.
Another huge, are you on?
Yep.
Anytime you're shooting on your phone for like social media, you always like are shooting vertical and you need a wider shot. So like this, for instance, when you're like on Instagram stories or even, it's better. Seriously, I have so much fun with this wide lens, just strictly for like Instagram stories, that it's just another quick point that I recommend. And real quick, as an example, here is without the wide lens in real time. So as you can see, it's probably not as good. Throw this back on. Super easy. And there you have it. Everyone can see your pretty face back there. Okay, so real quick, we're gonna FaceTime Niles. and ask him what his favorite feature about the lens is.
Making a FaceTime call to Niles.
Cool, Niles.
Cool.
All right, so while we wait for Niles to call back, hopefully he does, let me tell you a little bit about this beautiful little lens nug. Anyways, we know, we think, whatever, we know this is the best lens you can get for your smartphone. The team has designed this with cinema quality glass. It's very hefty, like it's hard to get a grasp for how it feels until you really get it in your hands. But this is no like cheap plastic clip-on lens. This is a solid piece of gear.
It's heavy, it feels...
Yeah.
Feels expensive.
Sharp edge to edge. Niles is calling. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Yo, oh, what is up?
There you are, dude. What's up, man?
Dude, I'm here. What's up, everybody?
We just wanted to know what your favorite feature of the wide lens was.
My favorite feature of the wide lens is basically how when you're shooting in like 4K, there's a crop on the image, and when you shoot a wide lens, you get that 4K with like a more wider look, and it's imperative.
I think with all video, your phone crops in, so the wide lens is
yeah, it's the same thing with the 1080, 120, or 240, but I just especially like it in 4K 60.
All right, guys, there you have it. Niles' input. What do you want to say to the channel?
I want to say to the channel, I've already watched Elf twice.
All right, y'all, so we've made our way out into the city now from the park, and we met up with Charity in the yellow beanie here. She's gonna be our model, and she's actually the newest Moment employee. She's a designer, so that's pretty rad that she's now a part of the team, and she's gonna help be in today's video. First day on the job, actually.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, look that way.
Have you ever had a lavender London fog? I have.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I love this with the crazy like brick. I'm gonna basically shoot you from low up. Oh, look at that little low window. Yeah, look at that. Okay. So I'm gonna basically have you.
It's pretty easy when Taylor's shooting and we have talent that I just kind of stand around and hold this camera. So I'm showing the viewers what they're seeing, so what they're missing out on this cool shoot that we're cold but getting really good light.
Yep. Arms, hair, all of it. Yep. Fling it all around. Gonna get way under you. Good. Good. Yep.
Stop and appreciate this double beanie situation we have going on. We have at least a foot height going on.
Yeah.
It's really great.
Locked in.
Yeah, I just wanted to interrupt our modeling.
Thank you very
time.
much. All right, guys, we're not gonna dive too deep into video, like shooting video with the wide lens. Essentially, all the same attributes you can get from shooting photos with the wide lens transfer over. This is garbage truck. All the same attributes and everything from shooting photos with the wide lens transfer over to video. So you throw this on, put it in video mode. It helps just widen up that shot. You usually get, like, when you switch into video, a more cropped in, version of video. If you're trying to shoot in your house, you're like, why is it so zoomed in? Add the wide lens, it opens up the frame. So I'll give you a couple example videos of Charity here. I don't know, moving around a little bit. I don't have a gimbal. They do work great with gimbals, just make sure you get a counterweight for it. That's a whole nother video that we'll link below. But basically, yeah, I'll show you some examples of what it looks like with the lens and without. are wrapping up. It's cold, it's dark, camera's not focusing. It means you know it's time to be done. But anyways, the wide lens is a 2x wide lens for your iPhone, your Galaxy, your Pixel. We support all those phones. Check out our website for all our cases. But yeah, it's cinema quality optics, and I think it's a great lens, so make sure to check it out. Hopefully the photos in this video helped you make a decision.
See you on the next one.
See you later.
Thanks for helping out today, Charity.
Thanks,
Always.
Charity. A round of applause for Charity.
Round of
everybody.
applause, guys.
Give her a hand.
Everyone give a comment below. Show some love. She just started, so. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Don't want to get hit by this car. Peace.
This is the Oi. It's a black bell. It doesn't look like a black bell because we don't want it to be just like any other black bell. To explain why it looks like this, let's go back a bit. Nog is an Australian company that believes form and function are friends with benefits. So whilst we don't always like to fit in, we love things that fit together, which is why we don't like these. So we asked, what if it could be different? So we sketched, catted, printed, sanded, painted, drilled to get the perfect form. And we tested volume, tested pitch, tested patience, till we had the perfect function. The small size works with 22.2mm diameter bars, and the large size for anything up to and including 31.8. And with 5 finishes to choose from, brushed aluminium, brass, copper, black and titanium, you're sure to find an Oi to suit you and your bike.